Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Quick Remarketing. Right here we have a forklift with 2,188 hours. It's a 12-foot mast. Very hard to find this new. It's a 2015 MOFFETT M8 55.3. Having a 12-foot mast is hard to find. You have your backrest. New tires all the way around. Refurbished, repainted. Repainted, we completely disassemble where we can easily, like the roll cage, the diamond plating. Many of these covers are removed, ladies and gentlemen. You can see new bolts here. These gray plates are removed. Then what we do, we remove the seat, the diamond plating here, the back door, the hood. We paint in here real deep. Look how nice this is. We don't mess around, so you get a long-lasting paint job, ladies and gentlemen. This thing is sitting here standing tall. Now we're going to go ahead, open up the hood here, look inside. Look how beautiful this is. You get an operational guarantee. What that simply means, it's going to be condition I'm showing you here today. We're going to back you up, help you get it fixed. You can even see like this light cover was removed. We painted that separately. Now also, your hydraulic system is pressure and leak tested and made sure to be working correctly with no leaks. Also, ladies and gentlemen, all your wearable items such as pins, bushings, mass bearings, change rollers, all that stuff is checked out, made sure to be inspected or replaced. Many times we take these masts apart. Now Levi's going to go in here, fire it up. We're going to get a little bit of operational. Now, first thing we're going to do, we're here, this core come to life. Here's your engine coming to life. We're going to show the mast going up and down. We're going to show you tilt, side shift, outriggers. Now we'll show you the mast going in and out. Everything's nice and tight. You'll go ahead and drive it around a little bit. This thing's running nice and tight. All new tires all the way around. New decals, new lights. Now you can give us a call at 260-238-4998. This engine will be backed up for an additional 30 days. You'll get an operational guarantee. It's going to be condition I've said here today. We're going to back you up, help you get it fixed. Thanks for checking out our video. Have a blessed day.